Good morning, Yonside.
Where did he go, Taryn? Where's his truck?
We got to search for him in the truck.
Don't drive all the way to Dead End, please.
Beware of Marisha, she's a skitter girl.
How do you get rid of this girl?
I don't know.
Should use it a little bit. Then she fall down the ground.
Yes. Too late, we're going to crash somebody's truck.
Well, step on the brakes.
It won't stop, Austin.
We spoke to Sir Monty, stop the truck. We're safe inside the house. What from the roller skating girl named Mauricio?
Marisha? Did you say Marisha?
Yeah, Mauricio the roller skating girl.
Turn, I'm your father! Dad, you dressed like a farmer.